Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Is your iPhone asking for an Apple ID password when you're trying to reset it? Have you forgotten your password and now you're stuck on the reset screen? Don't worry, in this review we'll show you two really easy methods to reset your iPhone even if you don't remember your Apple ID and password, so you can get your device back to its original state. Let's dive in it right now. The first way is through iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac, which not only provides services for managing iPhone music, but also provides dedicated options for managing the entire iPhone device. Use a USB or Type-C cable to connect the iPhone to the computer and modulate the device into recovery mode according to its generation. Once your device in recovery mode, a window will pop up on the iTunes or Finder screen stating that there is a problem with your iPhone and it should be restored or updated. So to remove the iPhone passcode, press the Restore button and wait for iTunes or Finder to load on your iPhone the latest available firmware. Then simply install the latest firmware version for the device. However, the premise of using iTunes or Finder is that your iPhone has trusted the computer before it was locked. In case if you can't reset your iPhone via iTunes or Finder, you can use iPhone Unlocking tool to factory reset your device. Here we highly recommend AnyUnlock to you, an easy-to-use and professional iPhone unlocker application. AnyUnlock is an essential iPhone unlocking tool for iOS users, perfect for restoring iPhone to factory settings without Apple ID password or screen passcode, and it also able to remove screen lock, delete Apple ID, bypass screen time passcode, and MDM restrictions. Next, we'll show you a simple guide on how to factory reset your iPhone without Apple ID and password from it. First, simply open AnyUnlock on your computer and choose Unlock Apple ID feature on the main interface. Then connect your device to the computer via USB or Type-C cable. If it's connected successfully, click on the Start Now button. After that, check the device information carefully and then click on the Unlock Now button. Finally, the application will start removing the Apple ID on your device and your iPhone will be reset automatically. Please note, if you don't know the Apple ID and password from it and there is an iCloud activation lock preventing you from accessing your device, then you can rely on AnyUnlock's bypass iCloud activation lock feature to reset iPhone without Apple ID password. Just select bypass iCloud activation lock on the main interface and click on Start option. Please follow the instructions carefully to set your iPhone into DFU mode and the jailbreaking process will start automatically. Then click on Bypass Now option and wait for the jailbreaking process to be completed. When the interface shows that the jailbreak is successful, your iPhone will automatically restart. Last but not the least, if you remember the device password, you can directly change the Apple ID password to reset the iPhone. For that, open the Default Settings app and tap on your Apple ID menu. Go to Sign In and Security option and select Change Password feature. Here, you will be asked to enter the device's password. After verification, you can set a new Apple ID password. After the password is changed successfully, you can now reset the iPhone with the new Apple ID password without any issues. However, if you are stuck on resetting the Apple ID password menu, it doesn't matter. Our second method can also help you to solve this as well. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this review, and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching guys and see you soon. Peace.